Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to promote Digistore products on TikTok. So right here, I have different tabs. So for the first tab, I just have to log in to my Digistore account. Okay, so you just have to log in using your email and then your password. And then if you don't have an account yet, so you just have to sign up. So you just have to click on the sign up button and then create your account. So right here, I am on my Digistore account. So what you're going to do is to simply click on the marketplace and click on all offers on the affiliate marketplace. And you'd be directed to this page. So right here, you'd be able to see different products that you can promote. Okay, so in this section we have these products, and at the left side you'll be able to see here the categories. For example, for the digital products, so when you click on it, you'll be able to see different products that you can use. So now let us try to look for the product that we can use to promote using our TikTok account. So for example, here on the digital products, I would like to promote something like about health and fitness. So I just have to click on that category. Then after that, right here, you just have to click on the product that you're going to promote. And at the right side, you'll be able to see here the price of the product and of course the promote now option, so that we can click on the link of this product that we are going to use later on. So let me just search for a specific product, for example, about herbs. So this is a digital product. So later on, I have to use videos that is related to this product. Okay, so once this section is open, let us proceed and use another tool. Okay, so I'll be using Canva to create a video for our TikTok. Okay, so on the other tab, I have my Canva account. So let me just save this image because we are going to use this later on. Okay, so just have to simply click on save, and then after that, let's open our Canva. And then right here, using the search bar, you just have to type out TikTok and then click on search. Then right here, you'd be able to see different templates. I'm just going to start with a blank template. Okay, and then right here, all we have to do is to upload related videos about our products. So we can go here on the element section at the left side, and then we just have to use the search bar and search for words that is related to the product that you are going to promote. So for example, herbs. So of course you have to go to the video section, and then if you have subscribed to a pro plan here on Canva, then you can use the videos that are available here. But since my Canva is not pro, so I'm just going to use the free videos. So what you're going to do next is you have to extend the video. Okay, so you just have to go to the edge of the video that you have added and then extend it. Okay, then also you can search for videos, for example, on pixels. Okay, or you can go with different websites that has stock videos. Okay, so if you don't want to spend your money by subscribing to a plan, then you can use the free stock videos. Okay, so for example, let's open a new tab and go to pixels.com, and then let's try to search for free videos. So just wait for a couple of seconds after that, and then you'd be able to see this website. So you just have to simply click on this website, and then you have to make sure to switch this to videos. And then using the search bar, just type out something like people or herbs, or people drinking herbs. Okay, so just use the words that are related to your product. Okay, so for example, this video right here. So if you found the video, then just have to simply click on the download button, and that video will be downloaded to your device. But I'm just going to use these videos. So for this one, I'm just going to use two videos. Okay, and then after that, let us now upload the video that we have downloaded from Digistore. Okay, so this one over here. So just wait for a couple of seconds after that, and then you just have to put that image at the bottom left of this video. Okay, so you just have to resize it or can place it anywhere you want. Then after that, I'm just going to go back to the element section and search for arrow. Okay, so you can also change the color of the arrow if you want to. And then go to the text after that and then add a heading. So for example, you just have to simply type out get yours now or anything that would get the attention of your audience. Okay, so let me just resize this one and put it here. Then after that, I'm just going to copy these elements and then put it on the next video. So you just have to simply click on shift and then just have to click on paste it here. Okay, and then once everything is ready, just click on the share button at the top right of your screen and then just click on download and then just have to download this video. So after downloading this video, let us now go back to our Digistore and then copy the link of this product. Okay, so just have to simply click on the promote now option. Okay, so because we are going to upload that link on our TikTok bio. So let me just click on the promote now and then click on copy promo link. And then go back to your TikTok account after that. And then just simply click on edit profile. And then on your bio section, you just have to paste here the link that we have copied. Okay, and then after that, let's go to our TikTok account right here and then just simply click on the upload button at the top right. And then right here, just have to click on select video. Okay, so right here, just have to upload the video that we have created using Canva. Then after that, you just have to simply click on open. And then right here on the description section, what you're going to do here is to simply type out the caption. For example, get yours now link on bio. But before that, let's go back here in the Digistore and then copy the name of the product that we are selling. Okay, so you just had to simply copy this one and then go back here on TikTok and then just have to paste it here. And then after that, you will then just have to type out get yours now linked in bio. Okay, so this is a guide for your viewers to get this product and get them click the link that you have pasted on your bio. And then after that, you just have to simply click on manage post to see if your video is uploaded. Okay, so here it is. So after that, you just have to simply click on your profile and then when you go here, you'd be able to see here now your link and your video. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.